Hello again. We are this time at the Hilton Garden Inn in Warrenville, Illinois. It's been a long time since I've stayed at Hilton Garden Inn, but from what I remember, it was a nice experience. I've got another digital key. Hilton likes to do that, which is cool. So let's go on in and check out the place. I've already got my room set up, which is nice. For the elevator right here. As you saw before, looks like they're renovating the place. I think I may have had a pipe burst or something.
I should say, which floor? Two. For sure. Well, for sure not from there, but it could be from within the county. I'm not familiar with everybody that is, with all the different counties. But yeah, there's a lot of like local folks and stuff like that. Which is kind of nice. I don't know about that.
Have a good one. Elevator tiles are kind of cracked, but no biggie. 4, 4, 4, 5. Here we go. My room is right here. Let's try the digital key. There we go. Pretty cool. Another king bed, which I like. Got a little microwave, micro fridge. I'll take a look at the view from outside. Got these kind of blackouty curtains, maybe. Decent view, I'm sure, once it's like summer and the trees have bloomed and stuff. There's looks to be a pond out there melting because, again, it's in the upper 30s again right now. Right. Turn some lights on. LG TV. Got a coffee maker. I'm not a coffee drinker, but it's nice for people who are. Got a Magic Chef microwave and another Magic Chef micro fridge. Cold, nice. Here is the bathroom. Another nice walk-in shower, which I like. It appears to be zero body wash and shampoo and conditioner. Hair dryer in a bag. Hello. Got my Montgomery, Alabama biscuits hat. Take a look at the bed.